How to replace a coupler chain on line shaft XR40 conveyor. Items required. Safety. Always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures. Remove the line shaft guards. Remove the rollers either side above the coupler sprockets by pushing or pulling on the roller axles. Remove the coupler chain by pushing out the pin with a punch or Allen wrench that is 3/16 inch or less in diameter. Loosen both set screws on one of the coupler sprockets. Slide the sprocket against the facing sprocket. Check the sprockets for both horizontal and vertical alignment. Loosen the bottom two hex bolts for horizontal alignment. Loosen the two hex bolts for vertical alignment. Tighten all four 3/8 inch hex bolts. Recheck for vertical and horizontal alignment. If correct, pull the loose sprocket back. Reinstall the coupler chain by aligning the keyways and wrapping the coupler chain around the sprockets. Reinstall the pin with channel locks. Make sure the coupler chain has a small amount of play by moving it back and forth. Tighten the set screws. Torque both coupler sprockets and all four set screws with torque wrench at 13 foot-pounds. Reinstall the rollers. Reinstall the line shaft guards. For more Fortna conveyor maintenance videos, visit fortna-conveyor.com.